Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple but effective way to find a reference parts catalog using Microsoft Excel formulas. Different companies and parts authors follow different approaches for this. Some use advanced automated systems that can prepare catalogs with minimal human effort, while others rely on Excel or custom-built tools. Let's dive in. To follow this video effectively, you'll need to know some basic Excel formulas like VLOOKUP and IF. If you're not familiar with these formulas, I'll share some helpful video links in the comments section. Here, I have a dump of aircraft parts catalogs. This catalog dump contains the BOM number, callout number, part numbers, description, quantity, and remarks. This is the first BOM ID, and I'm highlighting it here. And this is the second BOM. In the same way, this dump contains more than 50 BOMs. In the input sheet, we have a new BOM, for which the parts catalog needs to be created. Right side, here the output table shows the reference BOM IDs from the dump, with number of matching parts. We can simply select the BOM that has the highest number of matching parts, and use it as a reference. If we paste another input BOM, the output column will automatically update, and show the matching reference BOMs. With an Excel template like this, taking references becomes much easier. Now, let's learn how to build this template, step by step using Excel formulas. Before we dive deep, if you are passionate about understanding the intricate workings of machines, exploring engineering concepts through animations, or seeking inspiration for your next mechanical project, you are in the right place. We also offer software tutorials for CAD laboratory designs, helping you master essential tools for engineering design and visualization. Don't miss out on our engineering puzzle videos, designed to challenge your problem-solving skills and spark your creativity. Our channel is your go-to destination for all things engineering. With over 100 engineering-related animation videos already uploaded, we have covered a wide array of topics, from the fundamental principles behind various machines to in-depth explanations of complex engineering subjects. Whether you are a seasoned engineering student or just starting your journey, there is something here for everyone. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to receive notifications whenever we upload new videos. Now we don't have any formulas in this dump. I am going to show how I made the template. I am having an input BOM having 17 parts. The dump may include a reference BOM with all 17 part numbers, or a close match where only a few parts are missing. I have a sheet named as F to put formulas. I am bringing the dump contents to the formula sheet. Just put equal and click the dump first cell. Now copy the formula to maximum rows and columns as on the dump. Now we have the complete dump in the formula sheet. Here I am putting VLOOKUP from the dump part numbers to input parts. Now drag the formula. Now the parts that are not matching with the input will show like error. Now we are changing all errors as hash symbol using if error formula. I am naming the column for a better understanding. Let's change not matching parts as not matching instead of hash. And in next column, let's mention whether the part is matching or not matching. I am using if formula. The condition is if G2 cell is having words as not matching. And if the value is true, show as not matching. If the condition is false, show like matching. Now this column will show whether each parts are matching with input. I am naming next column as count matching. Here, I am going to put formulas to count how many parts are matching in each BOM. If the first BOM is having 5 matching parts, we have to make formula to count it. I am starting from cell I3 with if formula. The condition is, if the part is matching, add 1 with top cell. If the condition is false, show the same top value. Now drag the formula. Now, wherever the part number is matching, the count will get increase as you see. Now let's copy formula from I3 and paste in I2. It will show error, so edit the first cell formula so that it don't add value from top. For every matching parts, the count will be increasing. But the problem is, it will get increased through all the dump. But we need to get the count of each BOM in the dump. I am highlighting the first BOM. The first BOM is having 5 matching parts. For next BOM, we have to start the count from 0. So, we need to edit the formula. Now, copy the formula from starting cell. And edit the formula in next BOM. We have to use if condition. If this is a new BOM, start count from 0. I am adding if formula in front. The condition is, if Y27 is equal to the above BOM number, we can perform the same formula. If it is false, that means it is new U BOM, so paste the copied formula. As this is 27th row, edit the value as H27. Now drag the formula till bottom. Now I am highlighting the second BOM. This is having only one matching part. For next BOM, the count starts from 0. We edited formula in 27th row, so copy the cell and paste in top row, drag till end. Now I am changing the color formatting for this column also. At end of each BOM, the count of matching part is showing. So we have to update BOM number at end of each BOM. So it will give a combination of U BOM and count. I am naming the column as U BOM count. I start the formula at end of the BOM. If cell number A26 and the below one are matching, show blank. If not, show the BOM number. Now copy the formula, paste in top cell, and drag it till bottom. Now at end of each BOM, the BOM number will be displaying. In K column, we have to show the count. So, if J2 is blank, show blank, if not, show the count. Now each BOM number will show the count, how many parts are matching. Here we are having blank cells in each BOMs. We have to put formula to remove it. I am naming as remove blanks in next column. I am inserting a new column before J column. If K2 is blank, show the value from above. If not, add 1 from above value. This formula will add serial number for each BOM. In M column, I am putting serial numbers. We need to bring the first BOM values in top, the next BOM values in next row. So we need to put VLOOKUP formula from serial number with J to L columns. Drag the formula to rows as required. Now, all the BOM number, with the count of matching parts, will be displaying in order. Here, we no need to show the BOM numbers that contains 0 matching parts. So, we have to update the formula in J column so that, if the BOM is having 0 matching parts, we can neglect increasing the serial number. Here I edit the formula. If the L column value is 0, show the above serial number, otherwise perform the existing formula. This edited formula will not add the serial number if the BOM is not having any matching parts. Now copy the formula, paste in top, and drag till bottom. Now, if the BOM is having 0 matching parts, the serial number will not be added. So, in the output, only matching BOM IDs will be showing. Now we can easily identify. We can drag this as required, depend on the dump size. I am using if error formula to show the errors as blanks. I update the formula in both N and O columns. Now drag till bottom. This is our output. We can show the output in the input sheet itself. Here is our input. And we can show the output here. I am bringing the output contents here by using formula. Drag till bottom as required. While reference checking, we can copy the output content and paste as values in other place. And we can sort so that higher values comes in top. And this is the final output. The most matching reference BOM will be shown in top row. We can take this as a reference to create parts catalog for the new BOM. Now I am comparing new and reference BOMs. Go to the dump sheet, find the BOM using BOM ID. Here is our reference BOM. Copy the BOM and paste it in input sheet. I am also pasting the input content here. These are 100% matching, so we no need to do complete illustrations. We can just take the reference illustration, and we can update in case of any quantity or position changing of parts. You can change the input, the reference will be shown automatically. Now I take a random BOM content from the dump to check the template. I am taking BOM number 2030. I copy the parts and going to use them as input BOM. I paste the parts here. Now let's take the output. Let's sort from larger to smaller number. It is correctly showing BOM number 2030 as most matching BOM. Once you create this Excel template, you can use it anytime to check for reference BOMs. I hope this video was clear and helpful. If you need any support, feel free to leave a comment below or reach out to me through my email. In the upcoming sessions, we'll cover more concepts and techniques related to parts catalogs.